everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a fake squishy package. So before we start this video, please go check out my TikTok, and if you like my TikToks then obviously follow me. I have 53 followers, I think, I don't know. And subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. Go check me out on Facebook, and yeah, and like this video or comment anything you want me to do next. So this is the package. This is my first package. I have no tape on it, so I'm really curious why I put crazy, right? There we go. And I just got the package right here. So you can have the first peek. Oh, by the way, guys, I just ordered one slime, which is like 8 ounces, and then this is really crazy that I got this big package. So it's opening, and then oh, and this is ripped. I don't know why, but it is ripped. So let's read it as fast as I can. This is what it looks like. This is a long side of paper, and then why is it? Only 3 sentences. It says, thank you for purchasing slime that you want. Peachy thick fluffy slime, 8 ounce, $5. So I literally just paid $5, and it's pretty cheap because it's 8 ounce. I still have to sell it. There's a mirror. I want to put this because this looks so. And I think have more extras in there. So the first thing that I found is this pocket, I don't know, and you can put it for me, and you can also see the color of it. I'm going to use this later, and I'm going to vlog it. Next one is, ooh, what's this one? Oh my gosh, I just saw this marble effect spoon. Isn't that crazy? I haven't started in the wall, so I bet she painted it. I'm gonna try to do this next time. Next thing. This is really weird. What do you think it is? Okay. This is what it looks like. It's a flipsy sequin wallet. So I'm probably gonna use that because it looks so weird. It's a hand spinner. It looks ugly, but this is actually not mine. I mean, this is my brother, but I